So we're still camping. This is day 2 of camping. And today Jonah went swimming for the first time. And by swimming, what we mean is that he put on his swimming trunks. It's like a little tiny baby speedo. And Mom held him while he sat in the water. And he didn't even cry. He did so good. And now we're back at the tent. We had to hide in the tent because of the bugs first. But now we're hiding in the tent because it was raining. And now Jonah is practicing his kicking. See? Kick, 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 kick. And he's having a really good time. Aren't you, buddy? Let me give us a smile, buddy. Yeah? Wow, he is really, really going with his legs. He's working hard at this kicking.